Hey, what's up guys, Andrew here to unbox the Mixter wireless headphone, which includes deep bass, a foldable design, wireless version 4.2, and support TF card. This is the model HD901. Definitely want to say shout outs to Mixter for the opportunity to unbox this product, and let's get to it. So this is the box here. Okay, let's look at the side and see what we got in terms of features here. So we have 40mm driver, wireless 4.2, foldable design, support TF card, a wireless and wired connection, built-in microphone. So let's see if there's anything else that we need to know on the box or anything like that. And I think that is it. So okay, so let's get to the unboxing here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's what we got on the inside. Okay, we're gonna come back to this. Let's go to what's inside the box. Okay, we have the manual. Okay, that's good to have. We have our headphone jack. We have our USB. Okay, so these are the things that we have from the box. Okay, so here's the headset here. Foldable design, as mentioned. So you have the Mixter logo there. Okay, go ahead and snap that back here. Okay. Very sleek design, very lightweight. Okay, now here you have your USB and your headphone jack slot. And then on this side, you have your power button and your volume buttons. Okay, and that wraps it for this one. This one is very lightweight, not many things in the box. Feels very good, and it folds, which is great. So if you're looking for a solution that's very lightweight, that folds, and gives you the portability that you need, this may be the one for you. Mixter, definitely check it out. Thank you, Mixter, for the opportunity to unbox this particular product. This is really neat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and also hit the bell. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you want to come hang out with me on Twitch, you can do that. Twitch.tv/Uriah. Come hang out with me, and looking forward to seeing you there.